The camera industry is moving at lightning speed, and Canon is once again in the spotlight with one of its most highly anticipated releases, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. After the massive success of the original EOS R7, which brought APS-C shooters into the RF mount ecosystem, photographers and videographers around the globe have been eagerly awaiting Canon's next move. Now, rumors, leaks, and inside industry reports are painting a very detailed picture of what we can expect from the R7 Mark II. From its improved sensor to upgraded video recording features, the EOS R7 Mark II could be the hybrid mirrorless camera that changes the APS-C game once again. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know: release date, expected pricing, complete specifications, unique features, upgrades over the original R7, comparisons with rivals, and how it fits into Canon's future strategy. By the end, you'll have the clearest picture yet of why the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is one of 2025's most exciting cameras. Before diving into the Mark II, it's important to remember why the original EOS R7 was such a hit. Released in mid-2022, the R7 became Canon's flagship APS-C mirrorless camera in the RF system. A 32.5 MP APS-C sensor. Dual pixel CMOS AF2 with subject tracking borrowed from the EOS R3. 15 frames per second mechanical and 30 frames per second electronic continuous shooting. Oversampled 4K 60p video with no crop. Compact yet powerful design aimed at enthusiasts and semi-pros. The R7 successfully attracted sports, wildlife, and hybrid content creators looking for high performance without the cost of a full-frame body. However, like every camera, it wasn't perfect. Users pointed out rolling shutter issues in electronic shutter mode, limited buffer depth at high frame rates, and a lack of some pro-level video tools. These are exactly the areas Canon is addressing with the R7 Mark II. One of the most asked questions is simple: when will the Canon EOS R7 Mark II actually launch? Based on trusted industry insiders and supply chain leaks, Canon is planning to unveil the EOS R7 Mark II in late Q4 2025, with an official announcement around November 2025. The camera should hit shelves globally by December 2025 in time for the holiday season, though some regions may see early 2026 availability due to shipment timelines. Canon wants to position the R7 Mark II right before the busy end-of-year photography market, making it a prime choice for content creators looking to upgrade equipment ahead of 2026 projects. This timeline also aligns with Canon's strategy of refreshing its APS-C lineup roughly every 3 to 3.5 years. Price is another big talking point. The original EOS R7 launched at $1,499, body only, in the US. Given inflation, new technologies, and competition from Sony and Fujifilm, Canon is expected to price the R7 Mark II a little higher. This keeps it competitive in the enthusiast/hybrid creator space while ensuring Canon doesn't undercut its full-frame lineup. Compared to rivals like the Fujifilm X, H2 or Sony A6700, this pricing would be very reasonable for the performance Canon is promising. Now, let's get into the exciting part, the specifications. While Canon hasn't officially revealed the details, leaks and credible reports give us a near-complete picture of what's coming. New